How to fix Facebook Messenger loading problem on Android and iPhone. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on your phone, search for Messenger right here. When you find it, click on it and then click on First Stop. After that, click on Storage and then click on Clear Data and Delete. And then go back, click on First Stop and go to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and after that disable it. And then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing. Disable it and enable it. And then open the Play Store or the App Store and search for Messenger or Facebook Messenger and update it. When you update the Messenger, every issue you have is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.